So, does Sofi do options? So, does Sofi do options trading? Can you do options trading through Sofi? The short answer is yes. Sofi Invest offers options trading. You can trade options through Sofi's self-directed brokerage account, but you need to apply for approval first. So basically, Sofi options trading is available through Sofi's self-directed investment accounts, and you must apply and be approved for options trading privileges. Approval depends on your financial profile, trading experience, and risk tolerance. In terms of strategies, Sofi allows basic strategies like covered calls, cash secured puts, along with buying calls and puts. Options are integrated into the Sofi app with an options chain view and in-app coaching for beginners. The cost for trading options on Sofi is basically zero commissions, as well as zero contract fees for any options trades that you might take. Just remember the risks. Options trading involves significant risk, including the possibility of you losing your entire investment quickly. But going back to the question, does Sofi do options? Does Sofi do options trading? The short answer is yes. Sofi Invest does offer options trading.